Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a Canadian National train coming. I don't know if it's gonna be local or this is gonna be or it's the Black Hopper train. Let's check it out. This is my third ever Canadian National units, and this is the first in Butler.
SD70s?
SD70 M2s it is. We'll see what we got here. We'll see if it's a
Oh, it's just a little one.
just a local freight. Yep, we got a Canadian National local freight train coming right there. It's got a Canadian National boxcar and a Canadian National and there's a gondola on the end, and there's the end. That's a short one. That's a short one. Symbol on that train is Canadian National L538. From Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. That will be the Canadian National Light Power train. Talk to you later.